existence of inverse element. Existence of inverse element. In the case of inverse, you have to talk about what? For each. You will not talk about the for all. In all elements में कोई एक element क्या नहीं होते? Inverse नहीं होते. For each there is a inverse. The outcome of the inverse is what? Identity. Right? अपने देशी लैंग्वेज में बताऊँ क्या? तब जाके समझ में आता है. It is a bookish language, this word. Just like word. So that means that inverse is always going to be happen for each, not going to be happen for all. The outcome should be what? Identity. Right? Yeah, you see here. Let me write S comma circle be an algebraic structure. समझ पा रहे? And again, for each, while mention algebraic structure, I have a closure. Closure deals with what? Associative. Associative deals with what? Identity. Now I will be dealing with what? Inverse. Right? For each, A belongs to word S. There exists a unique element. B belongs to word S. Such that your A circle B, your identity element. What is outcome? अभी तो पता है आपको? Identity. What is identity? You denoted here E. That is only notation. Your B circle A is equal to what? This E. From this side, your B is known as what? Inverse of what? A. Your B is known as inverse of A. Here, this side also what? This side also. Your B is known as what? Inverse. But this side, the B is the left inverse of A. And this side, B is a right inverse of A. It is the fourth one. Okay. But fighting is going to be happen what? One on one. Right? One on one. What is that? A and B. B is inverse to A. As well as also I can say I can rewrite this definition in way A is inverse to B. Right? But otherwise, since I will be saying for each A there is existing B, therefore B is what? Inverse to A. Right? Here you will understand. All right. This 4 is called inverse property. And B is known as what? Known as a inverse of what? Inverse of A. But both the sets inverses should exist and get the what? Equal. With respect to what? Circle. In what? S. And again, and is denoted by. And is denoted by. क्या लिखूं बताओ? A power minus 1. But it's not the meaning that 1 by A. Only you have to read as inverse of A. Okay. It is not guarantee of कोई डिफरेंस आएगा क्या सॉल्यूशन में लेफ्ट या राइट आते हैं? मैं अभी सवाल दिखा दूँ, चिंता मत करो रुशिका. Yeah, it's only notation of what? Inverse of A, but it is not guarantee always 1 by A. Sometimes it may be 1 by A when operation is a multiplication. Right? Okay. Yeah, example, you all understand. I is equal to what? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. But on this set, what operation is a binary operation? बता सकते हैं. Plus and multiplication and division. Sorry, and subtraction. But subtraction fails to define the word associativity. Since the subtraction does not satisfy the associativity, therefore I cannot able to satisfy the word identity. Then I am no more to discuss about the word inverse. Up to what I am eligible to discuss only addition and multiplication. Okay. Yeah, please I'll be moving to the word inverse. Right. For each है, for all है. For each A belongs to I. There is existing, I don't know, B belongs to I, such that your A plus B and your B plus A must be equal to what? Identity. What is my identity? You tell me here. 0. To have a 0, what is my status of the B? Should be what? Minus A. For each element for each element A belongs to I, there is a minus A belongs to I. Satisfies what? Inverse rule. Inverse rule. Inverse rule. In place of circle, I will be putting plus. That's it. But like the same way, please, you all understand that you got success with what? Inverse with the addition, right? If I go to the word Q star is equal to what? Q minus a singleton 0. On this, what is the binary operation? Got success here. Not addition, not subtraction. Division and multiplication. But division fails to satisfy what? Associativity. Then we fail to come to this place. Okay. Now, I am going to write for all. Not for all. What do I write here? For each. A belongs to what? Q star. A belongs to what? Q star. Right? There exists some B belongs to Q star. Such that your A into B is equal to what? Your B into A is equal to what do I get here? 1. To get a 1, what is my B stands here? 1 by A. Okay. That 1 by A belongs to Q star or not? Yes. So it means that now onwards what you need to remember, with the ordinary addition in any number system, the inverse of A is a minus A. In a case of ordinary multiplication in any number system, the inverse of A is what? 1 by A. अरे किसका माइक दो एक बार आपके पास बोलो. In the integer system with the multiplication, what is an inverse of A?
Sir, that numbers inverse only.
Was in an integer system. With respect to the multiplication, the inverse of A is what? Because multiplication is also binary operation.
Yes, sir.
What is inverse of A? 1 upon A.
1 upon.
But that does not exist.
Yes.
Because the inverse of 2 is what? 1 by 2. But 1 by 2 does not belongs to this.
Yes.
As well as the inverse of 0 does not hold. The inverse of 0 is 1 by 0. That does not define. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, another question. You told that for each element in an integer system, the inverse does not exist with respect to multiplication. Right?
Yes.
Okay, give me a chance.
Mm.
Next. All right. Q is equal to P by Q. Such that P comma Q belongs to what? I. Provided Q is not equal to 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In this also, the addition is a binary operation.
Yes, sir.
Multiplication is a binary operation as well as a division not.
Subtraction, sir.
Subtraction is yes, but subtraction does not go more. Right?
Yes, sir.
Subtraction does not go more. You all understand. Next point. With the addition, what is inverse of sum 1 by what is inverse of sum 2 by 3? Minus 2 by 3. You all understand. With addition. Okay. Remember it. And again, you told that multiplication is also binary. Yes. With respect to multiplication, the inverse of an element A is what?
A inverse.
1 upon A.
Yes, sir.
1 upon A. Yes,
sir.
Right? But does that property holds in the just Q? No.
Yes.
Which element is going to spoil this rule?
0.
0.
Yes.
The 0. Because the inverse of 0 is what? 1 by 0.
0.
But that does not define with the multiplication. If 0 omits from this, then inverse can be possible.
Yes.
Wherever 0 does not present there, which property may be possible? Inverse is possible. Now another question with you. In the integer system, okay, you told me that inverse of each does not hold. What are the elements whose inverses exist?
Sir,
what are the elements whose inverses exist?
Only integers.
1 and minus 1. 1 into 1 is what? Outcome is a 1. अरे समझ नहीं आ रही क्या? 1 into 1 1, again 1 into 1 1, minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1, minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. समझ रहे? बाकी के नहीं होते. The inverse of 2 क्या होते हैं? वो 1/2 and 1/2 into 1 or 2. बाकी का नहीं होते. Inverse of 2 does not hold. The inverse of, because the inverse of 2 is what? 1/2, that does not belongs to what? I. But which element inverses can exist in I with a multiplication? 1 and a minus 1. The inverse of 1 is what? Itself. The inverse of minus 1 is what? Itself. बोलते हैं ना?
Yes.
सही बोला गलत बोला?
Correct, sir.
Yes. Next. The inverse of each element does not exist in this. Which element inverse fails here?
0.
0. How many elements inverses can exist here? All elements except what? 0.
0.
That 0 got eliminated. Then we finally found that inverse can exist with respect to the multiplication. Now conclusion is that, in any number system, with respect to the ordinary multiplication, in any number system, with respect to the ordinary multiplication, right? The inverse of A is what? 1 by A. In any number system, with respect to the number system, बात करें कुछ और नहीं, बात करें कुछ और है तो और होता है, right? In any number system, with respect to the addition, the inverse of A is what? 1 by A. Can you all agree with me? Yes. In this system, circle was a binary operation. Okay? In a set of all real numbers except minus 1. And you have been defined circle as, a circle B is equal to A plus B plus AB. In that you have been found what? Addition necessary. Circle declared as a closure. Circle declared as what? Associativity. Circle satisfies what? Identity property. And what is identity element with respect to circle in this set as 0. Now I just want to discuss about which property here? Inverse. Inverse. Existence of